Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share in a collaboration hosted by Clarissa from Sunny in the Suburbs. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm stepping away from the kitchen and I am sharing an easy DIY centerpiece. I believe in creating a warm, cozy ambiance for your family and friends, especially when you are going to serve up a delicious meal. That's why I decided to jump on this collaboration, once again hosted by Clarissa over at Sunny in the Suburbs. So please make sure that after you watch this video, you check out the full playlists. There are tons of great inspiration for you to decor your home and other ideas and hauls that the rest of the content creators have shared. And so all of the items that you see here, I picked them up over at the Dollar Tree, and this is what I put together. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will always be back to cooking delicious meals, but for now, enjoy this tutorial. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and let me know your thoughts.